Welcome to Mr. Digital, where your business goals become our shared achievements. Uncover the potential of our unique approach and proven strategies that have worked with over 100 businesses across various industries. Introducing the Infinity 5 Framework, our exclusive approach developed to deliver measurable results time and time again. Our process begins with research and planning. We start by gathering vital insights into your industry and competitors to tailor a strategy that aligns perfectly with your business goals. Next up, in our measuring and tracking stage, we use our custom ROI calculators to set clear, achievable goals, ensuring we're always aligned with your expectations and driving real return on investment. Moving to the execution stage, where our plans are crafted with precision, the performance tracker ensures every step is tracked, keeping our strategies focused and effective. During our optimization stage, it's all about enhancing and refining. We use continuous improvement methods like A/B testing. We make sure your campaigns are always improving. We use our success tracker to keep a close eye on campaign performance, making adjustments in real time. Plus, we have monthly client success meetings with you so that you're always in the loop and part of the journey. In the scaling phase, we focus on growth, identifying and amplifying successful strategies, guided by our performance tracker to take your business to the next level. And with our client dashboard, you have instant access to everything from project plans and approvals to leads generated, performance dashboards and even invoices. Transparency and control all in one place. Our Infinity 5 approach means continuous enhancement, adapting and evolving strategies to keep you ahead in a dynamic market. At Mr. Digital, we blend innovative tools with our proven processes to bring you unparalleled digital marketing success. With your data and our strategies, together we share success. Mr. Digital, where results are guaranteed or we work for free. Experience the power of the Infinity 5 Framework. Book a meeting and start your journey to success today.